Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Are you doing a makeup tutorial?
No, I'm just gonna do a vlog. What are you doing?
I'm going to watch TV.
No. Make sure that your bed is made and your teeth are brushed. Okay, we're gonna start packing your stuff soon. Good morning. Welcome to a day in my life with 6 of my kids on summer break. Tomorrow we are going to San Diego for my son Ace's football tournament. I'm trying one of these like little sticky things on the back of the phone for the first time. We'll see how it goes. You want this?
Yeah,
Well,
on my Amazon, I added that.
oh, okay. Oh, not bad for not being brushed for a couple days. Everything okay up there? I also want to put Gigi's hair in some twists and then do a style in the little girls that'll last a couple days. And if I have time, we want to do some nail painting. I recently just got my nails done. So I thought I would do it for the girls. Got my hopefully my last load of laundry in the washer right now. It's Ace's tournament uniforms. I am very much not a fancy packer. I am somewhere in the middle. But when we go on just trips like this, we're going to be gone for like 2 to 4 days. We do the backpack system. Baby, all the way up to 12-year-old twins. Keep a separate bag for swim stuff. It's so good. It always has been, and I hope it always will be. So good. Okay, I need to go upstairs, check on the laundry, start getting them packed, and then we're gonna get started on Gigi's hair. And when one mess is cleaned, another one begins.
Say here, you guys. Hi, Sam.
I got all of baby boy's outfits laid out. We've got a bathing suit, a couple swim diapers, 3 cute little light onesie pajamas going on here. This one is so cute. It says his name. And then I also have like his favorite blanket so he can take naps with, a little tank top that he can wear with his bathing suit, 2 play rompers because there's tons of outdoor space for him to just run around, have fun, get dirty. So I got 2 rompers for that. Shorts and t-shirt outfits for tournament days, Saturday and Sunday. And then I got some extra things because you always need extra things with a almost 2-year-old. I got a onesie, a couple pairs of extra shorts, an extra t-shirt, and then another pair of extra shorts because I couldn't decide. Those are so cute. And these actually are waterproof and dual as an extra set for bathing suit or whatever, and then an extra onesie on the bottom. And then I got 3 pairs of socks. I love this diaper bag. It has so many different pockets, sections. There's actually a changing thing in the back. It opens all the way up. It's not all the way. Well, there you go. It opens up pretty wide, which is really rare for diaper bags. Easy for me to organize and see what I have. I don't know if I mentioned, but we are going to San Diego and we're going to be staying for, I think, like 4 days, 3 nights. It's Ace's football tournament, flag football tournament. He's competing in the 12U division. It's so much fun. These tournaments are so fun. I look forward to them. And we got a huge Airbnb with us and the boys and all the parents that are coming on the team. It's going to be really fun. The place is beautiful. Everyone has a room. It has tons of amenities. amenities like a pool table and a gaming room and a basketball court, volleyball, tons of things. I'm going to film it so you guys can see what it's like, because I love doing kind of like Airbnb tours. It's very interesting to see what else is out there. Maybe you can even book it. I'll leave the link. It's such a beautiful space and it was perfect for what we needed it for. But I'm very much the type of person that likes to get everything in order and packed and organized at least 24 hours ahead of time. I'm kind of running low on time here. I started a little bit later than I would have liked to, because not only am I packing, but I'm washing sheets, doing all the laundry, vacuuming rugs, actually washing a rug, one of my ruggables that I can wash. I very much like to have my space clean and organized when I leave. So when I come back, all I really have to do is unpack and then do the laundry that we had for the trip. So we are getting this kitchen nice and cleaned. We also got a package for Father's Day, so I think I'm gonna run upstairs and try to wrap some of the Father's Day gifts as well. And then as soon as we come back, we got to start getting ready for Tezeo's birthday, because he is turning 2. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad that he's turning 2. We're going to be doing a birthday party that I'll definitely vlog for you guys. I'm so sad that my baby boy is turning 2. But okay, I'm going to get finished up here, get going, get on with the vlog, and then so I can start editing our road trip vlog, which is coming out next. We got a bunch of things that we need for the road trip. We need more diapers and some meats that I'm going to prepare ahead of time, put in a cooler and take to the Airbnb with us. Where's the baby? Oh, there he is. Okay. Did a couple things for the ride that I thought were yummy. Salt and vinegar pork rinds, Mexican street corn Pringles, and then Natalia and Lily picked out fruit roll-ups to put in their road trip snack packs.
Oh, I gotta make my snack pack, yay!
And then we got this Cocomelon fruit snacks for Tezeo. Yeah, and then I got 2 different chips because we're gonna make a huge sheet pan of nachos with all the players and the parents. And then I got a bunch of things to add to barbecue night. Cheddar bacon brats, jalapeno cheddar, spicy chili pepper sausages, boneless chicken because I'm going to season this with spices before we go, and we're going to barbecue that. And then I'm also going to make some Mexican rice, and I prefer to do it with long grain versus the huge bag of jasmine I have in my pantry, so I'm gonna do that. The rest of the stuff is just like little small things that I have. Oh, I forgot the salsa. I'll get that at Costco when I go get the drinks. Oh, that's okay. We can just put it in Tupperware. Ended up getting some of this antibacterial soap because my husband just got some more tattoos, so he needs this to cleanse it. These things are just for us. Oh, I got some rubber bands because we're gonna do Gigi's hair. Oh my gosh, I have so much to do. Whew. I better speed this up and get started. I wanted to start this vlog the moment I woke up. I thought it would be cool to actually do an entire day in my life on a super busy day when I have a lot going on, a lot of responsibilities, and we're packing. but it didn't happen. We woke up to an extremely hot house. Our AC stopped working. We had to call an AC guy out. They had to come and fix that. Done. The house is starting to get cool again. $700 later. Took the girls to volleyball. Went to Walmart, picked up all this stuff that I needed for the last minute things for the trip. Picked them up, got slushies, came home. I've already done 2 loads of laundry this morning. I've got to get the last load into the dryer, and the girls help me grab underwear, socks, bathing suits, like staple things, and then I'll go in and help them to make sure they have shirts that coordinate with their shorts. This is a backpack road trip. Yeah, we better get started. Let's go say good night night. Say night night. We're gonna take a nap. It is now 4 o'clock and we are headed to football practice. It's about 45-50 minutes away. Oh, it is a commitment, I tell you. This boy is going to do a scrimmage, very last scrimmage / practice before we head out to San Diego tomorrow for the tournament. Are you excited for the tournament?
Yeah. There's gonna be a basketball hoop and...
Oh, you're excited for the Airbnb.
Yeah.
Ended up leaving the baby at home because he took a very late nap and he did not wake up yet because it was really hot in the house. And now that it's cool, now that the AC is fixed, I'm just gonna let him be and leave him with Ed. Are you eating sunflower seeds?
Yeah.
Can you please make sure that they do not end up on the floor?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. As you saw earlier, I did go to Walmart, but I do need to make one quick trip to Costco. There is one near his practice. His practice is about 2 hours, so I am gonna run in there because it closes at 8 and your practice ends at 8. So I'm gonna run in and just get a few things while he's at practice. So that, yeah, I need to get some chicken breasts so I can put in the crock pot. I'm gonna cook some chicken breasts and shred it and put it in, I don't have time to make wings, and put it in Ziplocs, that and taco meat, and I'm gonna freeze it and then I'm gonna throw it in the cooler so that we can have it at the Airbnb tomorrow night when everyone gets in, just like an easy peasy nacho taco station, shredded chicken, taco meat, lettuce, tomatoes, sour cream, cheese, taco shells, soft ones, hard ones. I'm gonna make like a Spanish rice. So I got stuff for that. You probably saw my little mini grocery haul earlier. So I'm actually getting a Starbucks right now because I'm about to crash. I am so exhausted. I've been up since 5:30 in the morning. I was doing some editing and work for the first couple hours before the kids got up because I knew I wasn't gonna have the time to do it throughout the day. Also, I failed to do Elia's hair, so we're just gonna have to do a quick style tonight. Okay, it's my turn at Starbucks. Got a iced tea latte, or iced matcha latte, which is really good. It has caffeine in it. And then I also got one of these pineapple upside down cloud cakes. We're gonna try it. Let's try it.
You try it.
Backpack at the floor where you sit. You got all your cars? See the colorful rocks?